Let's move on to listening. The same question. Forget the classroom. I am a teacher. I am trying to prepare students for exams. How can they practice listening on their own? Any ideas? Yes? Listen to songs. Very good. Anything else? Yes? Okay, there are sites which are dedicated to listening. 𝗟𝗪𝗔𝐼 listening is one of them. Anything else? Any other ideas? Watch movies, of course. Perhaps without subtitles. Very good. Lots of ideas. You can use ELO. Did you know this is a fantastic site? Along with the English language learning library online. Lots and lots, thousands of clips. Very short, between 2 and 5 minutes, with activities and with a key. So you can click and you check the results immediately. You can use Netflix, as somebody said, watch movies or series which are addictive. Yeah? Not 𝗓𝗠𝗏. Yeah? And you can listen to graded audiobooks in the same way that graded readers are good for reading. Graded audiobooks are excellent for listening. And there is a channel on YouTube where you can find lots and lots of audiobooks at different levels. Fantastic. You can download stuff and listen to them. Yes, yes, you might say, but what? What if I have a student who has problems hearing? No problems at all. Whatever your learner's problems, yeah, for the НОCN, inclusion is a key notion. Whatever the problem your students may have, be it dyslexia, whether somebody's hard of hearing, whether they have difficulty concentrating and so on, the НOCN people are going to do their best to make sure they get the chance to take the test. Yeah? Whatever the nature of the learner's difficulty, you just tell the НОCN people. They might give them extra time. They might have them take the exam separately somewhere. They might give them special attention, whatever. They will do the best, right? So what can I do in class? How can I develop my learner skills in class? Remember that I told you that the transcripts of the clips are readily available. Yeah? So this is what you can do. We're talking about simple activities because we don't have time to prepare things, forever and ever. So this is what you do. You download the transcript, you select some sentences, key sentences, you cut them in half, and you give the first half to the students. And you tell them, how do you think this sentence continues? Very good. Half sentences. So we are going to listen to an expert talking about butterflies. Before we do, I want you to read the statement on the next slide. With the person next to you, try to complete the sentences. Have fun. Let me show you the sentences. So very, very quickly, let's try and do them together. The speaker's aim in giving this short talk is to do what? To inform us about butterflies. Anything else? To mention some surprising facts about butterflies, perhaps. Okay, all right. To present various species. The color of the butterfly's actual wings is in fact what? Yellow, perhaps. Yellow and black, okay. Maybe the color that you see is not the color that the other butterflies see. How about that? Incredibly, the taste buds of a butterfly are located on its head, perhaps. Yeah, or its tail, or these are the taste buds, right? Okay. When a female butterfly lands on a plant, what's the first thing she does? Yes. Taste, okay. Check for predators, perhaps. All right. A little known fact is that if it is too cold, butterflies die, or they go to sleep. Maybe they hibernate, yeah? Any other possibilities? Or they fly very low? Okay. So why do this activity? 3 reasons. Number 1, it gives students an idea of the track. We want to prepare them. It activates the mental schemata, so it helps them with listening. We want to help them. Number 2, it generates curiosity. Oh, where are those taste buds? Number 3, students get to invest, and they actually do something. And then they want to check their predictions. Okay? So we actually have an activity for the while listening phase. Okay? Let's do it. Let's see whether we got it right. We have it here, hopefully. Come on.
Well, welcome to Facts to You FM. My name is David Healy, and I'm a huge fan of the butterfly. I will be telling you some truly interesting facts that I hope you will find fascinating. I want to inspire you with my knowledge and encourage you to look more closely at the butterfly family. Firstly, did you know that the wings of butterflies are actually clear? Yes, the amazing colours you see are essentially tiny scales, and as they get older, the scales drop off, leaving gaps where you can see through their wings. Isn't that amazing? And another mind-blowing fact is that these beautiful creatures have taste buds on the bottom of their feet to help them find the food that they like when they land on plants. A female butterfly will land on a plant and start stamping her...
Okay, we don't want to listen to all of it. Just for you to get an idea of how the activity works. I'm sure you all got the answers to the first three? Yeah? Okay, your teacher say. Which is a really hard one for you. Okay. Number one, what's the speaker's aim? To inspire us with his love of the butterflies. Okay. Number two, what's the color? Clear. See-through, right? So when the scales drop off, that's why you see some holes. They actually have a membrane, a transparent membrane. And number three, the taste buds on their feet, so they can sense the presence of food. Very good. Okay? This is a very, very flexible activity. You can also use the same thing for reading. It generates curiosity and gets students interested in the text. Let's move on. Yeah, these are the answers, by the way.